Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac type because the key sequence differs. If you have Apple Silicon, the startup method is different than Intel. Once done, back up critical data or verify a recent Time Machine snapshot so you can restore settings. Next, shut down fully, do not sleep or restart from a frozen state, and get ready to press the specified keys at power on. This step starts the recovery environment and loads tools to repair, reinstall, or restore the system. Timing is crucial, so act promptly. You now perform the platform-specific entry. For Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until you see Startup Options, then click Options and Continue. This loads the built-in recovery from the internal or internet recovery, if needed. For Intel Macs, power on and immediately hold Command-R for local recovery, Option Command-R for the latest compatible Mac OS, or Shift Option Command-R for the original bundled Mac OS. Each choice affects the version you reinstall. Make sure to watch the process. You finish by selecting the task you need. Run Disk Utility to repair disks first because file system issues often block installs or boots. If disks are healthy, choose Reinstall Mac OS or Restore from Time Machine. Use Terminal for advanced fixes, like mounting drives or removing kexts. If recovery won't load, make sure your network allows internet recovery, reset NVRAM and SMC on Intel machines, or try an external bootable installer. These steps resolve most failures and get you back to a functioning system quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.